Hey, let's talk about why should you have your air conditioner cleaned and checked on a regular basis? Would you ever drive your car without changing the oil? Of course not. Did you know that your air conditioner runs almost 5 times more than your car? Usually what the standard maintenance is for a HVAC system or an air conditioning system and heating system, we want to make sure that we all understand that when we talk about HVAC, that includes the air conditioning cycle and also the heating cycle. So why twice a year? In the fall, we're checking your furnace or your air handler if you have electric heat. We're checking that for safety and for warmth and comfort. In the spring, we're checking the system to make sure that your refrigerant levels are where they need to be so that you don't waste utility dollars as you pay here in Texas for some pretty hot days. So in the spring, what we're doing is we're making sure the system's clean, that it's running properly, that the controls are running properly. And quite honestly, I can't imagine anybody driving their car 5 times as much as they regularly do without changing the oil. So when you think about maintenance, there are 3 things that it does for you. It lowers your utility bills, it extends your equipment life, and man, here's the most important thing, you're going to be more comfortable in your house. And here in Texas, where we have a high humidity at 100-degree days, don't you want to be more comfortable? If you have any more questions about this, I'm in the call center all the time. Feel free to call me. I'm not an absent owner. I am right there. Please call us at 972-235-6600, and we'll answer any kind of maintenance questions you have.